Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I have a very special tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to sew a maxi skirt without using a pattern. Yes, you heard me right. No pattern needed. This is a very easy and fun project that anyone can do. As a bonus, I have a free PDF pattern for pockets for all of you who want to try themselves. I will show you how to add these pockets to your maxi skirt and make it even more practical and fashionable. These pockets are super cute and can be used for many other sewing projects. So, if you're ready, let's get started. But before we do, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Alright, let's sew a maxi skirt without using a pattern. Let's go! that's it, my lovely sewist. How easy and fun was that? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. Now you have a beautiful and comfortable maxi skirt that you can wear in any season and style it in many different ways. I would love to see your creations. So please share them with me using the hashtag #SparrowFashion. You can also tag me so I can see your amazing work. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in the next one. Until then, happy sewing!